Background music fades in. The screen shows a split image of the Sony Alpha 7 IV on the left and the Canon EOS R6 Mark II on the right. Hey, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter purchases, so you don't end up with a camera that takes more blurry selfies than a teenager on a roller coaster. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, and we've got a showdown between the Sony Alpha 7 IV and the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Let's see which one takes the crown, and which one ends up in the "I should have bought" a point-and-shoot pile. First up, let's talk money. The Sony Alpha 7 IV will set you back about $2,499, which reviewers say is worth it for the improvements in autofocus speed and image quality. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II comes with a price tag of $3,599. While it's pricier, users appreciate its performance and reliability, especially for wedding photography, making it a valuable investment for serious photographers. Moving on to image quality, the Sony Alpha 7 IV boasts a 33 megapixels full-frame XMOR sensor, which users rave about for its high-quality photos and videos, making it a great choice for astrophotography and vlogging. Meanwhile, the Canon R6 Mark II features a 24.2 megapixels full-frame CMOS sensor. Although it has lower resolution, reviewers highlight its exceptional image quality in capturing emotions during weddings, making it a solid performer in various conditions. Next, let's talk about the brains behind the operation. The Alpha 7 IV features the next-general BIONZ XR image processing engine, praised for delivering improved ISO performance and stabilization. The Canon R6 Mark II, equipped with the DIGIC-X image processor, also receives high marks for its speed and efficiency, especially in low light, making it a favorite for wedding photographers. Now, let's get cinematic. The Alpha 7 IV can record up to 4K 60p in 10-bit 4:2:2, which reviewers claim allows for breathtaking video quality, perfect for capturing your cat's antics or even short films. The R6 Mark II is also capable of impressive video but falls behind slightly in specs. Users still find it great for various video needs, especially with its fast autofocus. Last but not least, let's talk autofocus. The Canon R6 Mark II features dual-pixel CMOS AF2, covering 100% of the area with 1053 AF zones, which reviewers love for its speed and accuracy during fast-paced events like weddings. The Alpha 7 IV also has strong autofocus, but users note that the R6 Mark II excels in tracking subjects, making it a better choice for action shots. Overall, the reviews highlight that the Sony Alpha 7 IV is celebrated for its impressive image quality and advanced features, making it a fantastic choice for versatile photography and videography. In contrast, the Canon R6 Mark II is praised for its reliability, particularly in fast-paced environments, with a strong emphasis on its autofocus capabilities and ease of use. So who's the winner? Well, it really depends on what you need. If you're looking for that extra megapixel and killer video capabilities, the Sony Alpha 7 IV is your best bet. But if you want solid performance with a fantastic autofocus system and a slightly easier price to digest, the Canon R6 Mark II is a fantastic choice. Before you rush off to buy one, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future battles. And remember, whether you're capturing memories or just your lunch, always buy smart. Catch you in the next comparison, folks. Stay savvy.